Hi, this is Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com. Hey, coming here with a pretty interesting product. This is a product that is supposed to be fairly good for your health. It's basically the AIROSPA pill. It's a face-down pill that you can take and use that kind of functions like a lot of the massage beds that you have, where you have kind of that facial thing that holds you so you can lay down flat and get a massage. It's pretty brilliantly designed, actually. It's got 3 holes, one on the top and 2 on the sides, so that you can easily have air breathe and pass through, so when you're face down, you're not, of course, smothering yourself to death. It's very cool and light. I actually thought, looking at it initially, that I would overheat from my own breath being pushed into the small space, but no, it actually works really well. In fact, there's a little fanned air scent device that you can take and put in the top that blows air quite through, and of course gives you aromatherapy. And when you buy the pillow, you get all sorts of different scents to take and use in the aromatherapy fan. So very cool, very simple, very inexpensive. I got a chance to try it out. It does a great job. It actually helped relax the muscles in my face, which have been very tense. And it did seem to give me a bit of stress release. It was very calming and relaxing. Kind of seemed to help my posture a little bit. There's some other things that it seems to claim on the website that I'm not sure I agree with. They claim it reduces risks of several different ailments. I'm not sure a pillow can do all that. But it is relaxing, and you have the AIROSPA thing where it blows the... you have lavender, chamomile, geranium of pure essential oils that can be blown into the area and make you relax. There's also rose, jasmine, ylang, yeah, it seems to do a pretty good job, and it's inexpensive. I don't think it's going to hurt anyone at the price point that it's at. It is fairly smartly built too, as well. When you blow it up, it holds the air inside, so it's not a real pain in the butt to take and blow this thing up. It's also something you can travel with, so you can take the air out of it, take it, travel with you, and everything else. Great for massages from maybe your significant other or partner, and you can just go face down, relax. It does tend to relax the face because it puts pressure on the muscles in the face. And I felt a little bit more relieved laying on my face, and also makes it easier if you're a face-down person. They say it does relieve snoring. I didn't get a chance to try or test that, but hey, it would make sense because your body is pressing down on a different thing, and maybe it's forcing more air to come out of your lungs. So anyway, I think it's a great, inexpensive little product. You may want to try it, especially if you want to be a face-down person. You're worried about smothering, the aromatherapy, you like the massage elements of it. It definitely is a nice little product for that, and I think it's very smartly built. Let me check out their website at airospillow.com. That's airospillow.com, and we'll see you next time.